Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar Taylor Swift. My boy only breaks his favorite toys, alright? So I'm gonna try to keep my guitar in mint condition. Cannot promise, but this is one of my favorite toy. Anyway, Taylor Swift's song here, I think is about 7 chords here. 5, 6, 7, yeah, 7 chords, and we're going clean here. No need for any capo. A little bit different here to just play one down on the clap. This clap is optional, you can do it or not. Anyway, let's go over the chords first and do what's needed. So we're gonna look at this F first. It's a bar chord. You play the bar here on the first fret, you cross all the strings there on this first position, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have A minor, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. E minor next. So E minor is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. We have C as well. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally we have D minor, and I believe that is chord number 6, actually not 7, so 6 chords. D minor goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. Alright, so like I mentioned, down clap is what we're going to work with. So if you grab the first chord, the F, it goes. That's what I would do, and I wouldn't play the clap on all strings. I want the strings to ring out, so I just hit the bass string here, the E, with my thumb like this, and we have more sound coming out from this little beauty here. So anyway, the verse play is F, 2 down claps, then A minor 2, E minor 2, and F2. So it both starts and ends on F2, and you're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds. That is your first verse. Pre-chorus, you're gonna continue, of course, the same way of playing down clap through entire song. Now you have F2 and G2, only for 1 round. Don't think we have to play through that, you understand? F2, G2, and then over to chorus. Chorus is played F2, C2, G2, and E minor 2. That chord progression you play for 4 rounds. We can go for 1 like this. And second round starting with F. 4 rounds of that, and that is your first chorus. The second round is just repetition, guys. Everything is the same. Second verse, second pre-chorus, and second chorus is just repetition. And then after that, we're about 2 minutes and 11 seconds into the song. We have a bridge part. You're gonna play the chorus play there for another 2 rounds. Okay, so F2, C2, G2, E minor 2 for 2 rounds. And then it continues with C2, G2, D minor 2, and F2. You're gonna play that C, G, D minor, F for 2 rounds. And then you end this song here with this outro right after the bridge part, which is C2, D minor 2, E minor 2, and then F6 and C4. C4 sounds explosive, but it isn't in this case. It's just the end of this song from Taylor Swift called My Boy Only Breaks His Favorite Toys. Yeah, the longest title ever. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, feel free to let me know. Leave a comment, something cute or so. I read everything. So thank you for support, guys, and play tuned.